By optimizing your existing tally software, you can increase your profit percentage as well as profit amount also. How? I am going to explain it tomorrow morning in Accounting Friend lecture series. I am giving the registration link. It is a live session on Zoom. I am giving the registration link here itself. Just click on the link and register. I have seen that people use their existing tally software just for debit credit, just for pure accounting, when they can use it for many other purposes including profit maximization. So I want to explain it to all of you. Do join me tomorrow live in Zoom webinar at 11 a.m. Tomorrow it is Sunday, so you don't have any excuses. Thank you.